Congratulations, you just finished writing your new book. Now it's time to create the cover. And what better place than the AI book cover generator to create your book cover? So these are examples of a book which is called How to Take Care of Dogs. And so we've got 4 examples of potential book covers. But let's think of another example which I can make right in front of you right now, which will maybe be for a different style of book or a different type of book, different category of book. Let's try. How to use cameras. How to use DSLR cameras. I'll click the generate button and it will start drawing some images. So let me just do 4 images so I have 4 results. Okay, let's wait for the results to start being created by the AI. And here you are, some unbelievable images which would perfectly work for the front of a book cover. Now, once you've downloaded any of these, all you need to do, of course, is put some text on top, which is the name of your book. And then you will basically make a killing on Amazon, because these kinds of images are the types of images that buyers expect when they see when they see a book cover. They expect this kind of image and not anything less than this. So I was Daniel from Generate. I was your host. To get this app, you go to generate.net, spelt like that. Then you click on the imaging apps, and then you can click on the book cover generator, which is right over here. Once you're on this page, you will be able to start using this tool just by clicking this button. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.